In today's lesson, we are going to use a number line to help us subtract a one-digit subtrahend from a two-digit number. It's math time. Do you know what time it is? It's math time. Do you know what time it is? It's math time. Do you know what time it is? It's math time. Do you know what time it is? It's math time. Hey everyone, today we're working with a number line. That is this line right here. This is a number line, and if you notice there are two arrows on either side of the ends of the number line, and these arrows signify that this number line keeps going on infinitely. So this arrow is pointing to the right, so it goes beyond 58. It goes 59, 60, 61, and so forth into the hundreds and the thousands. And then this one over here is pointing to the left, and it's every number before 45. So like 44, 43, 42, it's forever counting down all the way to 0. And then it goes beyond that and counts into the negative numbers, like -1, -2, -3, and so forth. So what we're doing with our number line is we're using this number line to help us subtract. And so what our first thing that we have to do when we're reading our subtraction problem is find the larger number. So this says 55 take away 8. And in second grade math, our larger number is always going to be first. So this is our larger number. It's 55. And what we need to do with 55 is find it on the number line and circle it. So here's 55, I'm circling it. That is our starting point. Other things you could do is mark a dot on the number line like this, and it's really just whatever you want to do. I'm going to circle so it's easier for you guys to see it. If it's easier for you to mark a dot, make a dot, that's fine too. And now we're going to take away 8 by moving to the left. We have to move to the left this way because this is how we subtract. If we moved in the opposite direction to the right, then we would be adding. So just like when we're adding on a number line, when we subtract, we are going to make jumps. As you've once heard me call this, I've said it was like making toes or fingers on the number line. And so this number is telling us we need to take away 8, so we're going to make 8 fingers to the left. So here's my first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now just to double check to make sure that I have 8 of them, I'm going to add those fingernails to help count each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how they look like little toes? And now that I've double checked my work, I know that I have taken away 8, and I've landed on this number here, this number 47. I'm drawing a box around it this time. Kind of like my circle's telling me to go and my box is telling me to stop. And so I've landed on 47. What that tells us is that 55 take away 8 equals 47. And we can write that on the line like this. 47. 55 take away 8 equals 47. Let's try this one. 42 take away 5 equals something. Now if you notice, our number line is on different numbers. Again, this is just this is like a segment or like a fragment of the number line. the entire number line that goes from negative whatever all the way to the thousands. Like this is just a small section of it. And so this one ranges from 34 to 44, unlike this other one that ranged from 45 to 58. And the reason why these are in different ranges is because on this one we were working with big numbers like 55 and 47. And on this one, we're not working with 55. We're all the way down to 42 and numbers like 34. And actually, if you look at these number lines, they almost like connect. Because here I have 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So it just shows that this is just another section of the number line. And we are just continuing to work with the same number line, just a different spot on the number line. In my classroom, you guys will see that there's a giant number line on the wall that goes all the way from negative 20 to 120, and you can use that number line to also help you subtract. It doesn't have to be just a little segment. It can be the entire thing. So, first things first, we're going to find 42, take away 5, by finding 42 on the number line and circling it. So here's 42. I'm going to draw a circle around it. Remember, you can just put a dot up here if that's what works best for you. Like I said, I like drawing the circle. It helps me out, and I know it'll help you if you try it. And now we're going to draw 5 humps, 5 toes, 5 fingers, whatever you want to call them. We're going to draw those on the number line, one by one. So we're going to go 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we double check our work by drawing the nails, the toenails, the fingernails, whatever you want to call them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They kind of look like smiles, don't they? All of these are happy little faces. Maybe give them some eyes too. There, they're all happy. There's 5 of them. And so now I can look on my number line and see that I stopped. My last hump stopped on 37. So I'm going to give it a box to let me know that I stopped there. And now I see 42 take away 5 equals 37. Find 41 on the number line and draw a circle around it. There it is. You can also mark it with a dot. Now we're going to subtract 9 by drawing 9 humps, 9 toes, 9 fingers to the left. One by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Double check your work by drawing the nails, the fingernails, or the toenails, or the smiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And they don't have to be perfect. They just have to be, they're just there for you to check your work. So we've got 9. And it looks like we landed on the number 32. So I'm going to give it a box to let me know that's where I stopped. So 41 take away 9 equals 32. This is the last one that I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to let you get started on your homework for today. So we're going to start. We're going to find 53 on the number line. Here's 53. Draw a circle around it. Mark it with a dot on the number line. And now we're going to draw 6 toes to the left. Remember, we're moving backwards. We move this way when we subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double check our work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like we landed on 47. Oops. I made an error. You need to draw a box around it to let you know you stopped. Made an error. So I fixed it by drawing a box. And so it looks like I landed on 47. So 53 take away 6 equals 47. Hey guys, thanks for sticking with me to the end of the video. Good luck on your homework today, and I will see you next time. Bye!